Ah, I missed it. Maybe. Jesus.
Order filled.
Okay. Okay. This is the risky entry, guys. Remember, just a measure move, second entry long. Yeah, it's a risky trade, but what is this business if not about risk? It's a risky trade. So what? Yeah, what is this like? 2 points? Worth my money? Where is my target? My target should be here. Let's see. So we had like 2 move, 1 leg, break, another leg, measure move, second entry long, risky trade. The safer one would be to take higher low or second entry, fed second entry short. It's a risky trade, but come on, guys, we are risking here like what? 2 points? To get like what? 7, 8? Worth my money. That's how I see this business. I don't know how far it will go, if it will go at all. Let me show you the big picture. I don't consider this anymore. I'm looking only at this thing. You see, what is that you're asking? How? I don't understand. Actually, this should be the target. But it's really slow here. Yeah, we are holding it. We don't touch our stop. It's not even a question. Maybe we can trigger a second entry here. Maybe. It was a measure move though. Yeah, nevertheless. Okay, good bar, good signal bar. Congestive, however. Tiki-tack, I don't like it. You see that? Overlapping. They are struggling to trigger the second entry. Yeah, the risk worth it, yeah. It's a good trade. It's a good trade. You risk like 2 points, 1 3/4. It's, why not? Second entry triggered. Come on, guys. Okay. Don't touch your stop. You are coming with bullshit stories. You see what's going on in your mind, Tiki-tack? What grid here? You haven't reached your target. Why you feel this? By the way, this was a higher low, for your information. Guys, now, if we arrive this area, I will try to trail it. Maybe we can get something from it. Let's see. And I'm willing to risk these few points, you see? Come on, guys. 65. We are 5 points in the money. If this bar closed like this, I will trail my stop below this bar and we'll be 5 points in the money. Let's see if we can squeeze something. Yeah. Not too bad. Let's try to squeeze the maximum from this thing. Who knows? See, I moved my target because maybe we can take some more. It's all about squeezing more and more and more when you are right. Okay, I'm here. I'm willing to risk this. What is this? Like 4 points? No problem. It will be 7 points anyway. We don't know. It's not our business to know. Maybe we can get 10 points now. Who knows? What is this that you're showing me? Yeah. Stay with your winners. We are here. It will be 8 points anyway. Maybe it can be 11. Who knows?
Stop filled.
Okay, done. 8 points. Not too bad. Ben, you see why I don't think about shorts when I see something like this? Guys, don't be this smart guy trying to outsmart the market. Don't be this guy. Let's go again and see what we had here. We had this channel. We didn't try to be too smart with this. We said, okay, it's a channel. The midline hold, you see how the midline hold here? So I said, okay, it's the first break, kind of a range. 2 exact measure move. Entering here, by the way, was not the second entry, but yeah, okay. This was one of these good mistakes. Actually, the best entry was this higher low. You see this one? Guys, can you see this? So you could enter with some limit here at 68, trail it out. Patient. This is what this business is all about. Sit and wait for your setups. And if you lose 2 points, what was our risk here? 0.70 to make 8? This is like what? 1 to 5? Help me, guys. We risked 1.75, yes? 175 to take 8. That's how you make money in this business. That's what I'm telling you all the time. Yeah, that's how you make business. And there is no other way. No other way. And how do I know that? Because I tried it for many years, and you too. Right? Where was my SE? I trailed my stop, tiki-tack. When I saw that it's approaching the high with such a momentum, I just took my limit order just further and further and trailed the last bar, and I got stopped here. Then that was the difference. Because we could easily get like another 3-4 bars, and you took 6, and I would be taking maybe 15. Tiki-tack, you see what I mean? When you see such a strong momentum, don't be like a kid, like, oh, it's close to my target, I want to take my 6 point. Yeah, trail it. This time it didn't work so much, but it could easily give us like 3-4 green bars, and this 8-point trade would be like 15. If you teach yourself to control your emotion, not to get hysteric. Have you seen how I trade my stop? I allow the market to do its stuff. It will go up and down, up and down, up and down. That's how it works. Let the market work. Don't be the one who stick his nose in the middle and destroy everything. Now, by the way, I had this channel with a range, new high. Now I would be extremely cautious looking for long. Now, yes, Ben. And even now, I will still be careful because there might be something like this, which we don't see by now. You see? We don't know. Not enough touches, but don't be the first one to jump to the other side. That's what I'm telling you all the time, guys. We stick with this for now. Okay, guys. I will take a break, coffee. Nice start for this morning. And if I see something, I will jump into live stream again.
Stop filled.